Cooking over flames has been around for as long as humankind, so it makes sense that cooking with gas has been a popular choice in our homes. But when it comes to cleaning convenience, speed and safety, there's a newer technology that has the edge. Are you ready to embrace the future? I think the first thing to note about induction cooktops is just how sleek and beautiful they are. The flat glass surface makes them an absolute dream to clean. But it's the technology beneath the glass that makes induction so impressive, because it's all about speed. If there's one thing cooks love about induction, it is how quick they are. So let me get technical for a second. The reason induction cooktops are so fast is because electromagnetic fields are rapidly transferring heat energy from copper coils inside the cooktop directly to the pan that is making contact with the surface. So what does that mean in simple terms? Well, it means it's going to take me under 4 minutes to get this pot of water boiling for tonight's dinner. Now, we all want our appliances to be as safe as possible, and that's another key advantage of induction cooktops. If you've just finished cooking, it might be hard to know if the surface is still hot. That's where the residual heat indicator in this NEFF cooktop is so useful. It can tell you which zones are hot to touch. One criticism of induction cooktops is that the touch controls can be a little unresponsive, especially if your fingers have been handling ingredients. This cooktop from NEFF has a handy magnetic control dial, which allows you to tilt and turn it to make all of your selections, and then simply lift it off when you're ready to give the surface a wipe down. Now, it's important to know that induction only works with iron-based pans. Thankfully, that is most household pots and pans, but you can use a simple magnet to check. If it attaches to the base of your pot, then you're good to go. And keep in mind that induction cooktops, especially larger ones, have additional electrical needs, so you might need an electrician to upgrade your setup. But once you're all sorted, you'll enjoy the effortless cleaning of your induction cooktop. I hope this has helped a little in your search for the perfect cooktop. Find more tips about kitchen design and NEFF appliances at the NEFF Kitchen.